You're watching CKWS News at Noon. It is November 1st. It is Tuesday, and a lot of people thinking, I'm not just ready for fall just yet. I don't like the cooler temperatures. I want to deal with some mild temperatures. Well, your wish is my command for at least the first week into November. Temperatures well above average and some nice conditions. We're dealing with an overcast sky today, but expect some sunny periods tomorrow all the way into the weekend. Average high this time of year is around 9 degrees. Kingston climbing to around 15 or 16 degrees. Even overnight lows, very bearable. Yes, indeed. I'll talk you through our futurecast images. We dealt with a light rain this morning. Clouds will dissipate much later in the day, and that'll be the trend that'll take us into tomorrow and even into the weekend with some sunshine, lots of sunny periods, and nice temperatures to boot. For Belleville, wishing you a great Tuesday afternoon. You'll enjoy 17 degrees for a high today, eventual sunshine for you, and sunny periods for Wednesday and Thursday. Still double-digit highs, 16 for Wednesday, 14 on Thursday. And for Brockville, you'll enjoy 16 degrees today, 14 tomorrow, 17 on Thursday, and a chance of just a trace amount of rain later in the day. But yeah, look at these highs. Absolutely gorgeous conditions and very nice temperatures. Smiths Falls, 16 degrees for you today, and some sunshine, 14 tomorrow with some sunny periods, and a mix of sun and clouds for Thursday as well, but a high of 16 degrees. We are above average all the way into the weekend. A little bit of cloud cover today though, but we'll get to around 15, 16 degrees today. 15 tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. 13 on Thursday, enjoy 17 for Friday. And yeah, these temperatures well above average, not just a 1 or 2 day blip. Look at Saturday, 18 degrees and a little bit of sunshine. Again, the average high this time of year is +9. Not a bad 5 days at all.
Yes, we'll put those showers behind us. We're looking forward to a nice sunny stretch, and those temperatures are going to climb. Taking a look at last night's showers, it was about this time last night that we were seeing a little bit of scattered drizzle here and there. But around the 7 o'clock hour when I was leaving, that's when things really started to, the skies opened up for about an hour, and I went looking for my son, who was down around the Grand Trunk area in his little SpongeBob outfit, and he was pretty soaked after that hour of rain. And then in the overnight, we saw a few more showers, but by, just after sunup, it cleared right up. Well, the cloud didn't, but the shower activity moved out, and I think we hung on to about 30–40% probability through the day. There was a little bit of a spit in there just around the lunch hour. Then another band of precipitation, very weak band, moved in, and now currently up through Brockville getting a bit of a shower, but things are clearing up nicely for us now in the Belleville-Kingston area, and I think everyone in Eastern Ontario will eventually see some clearing. 16 for a high today, well above normal. 10, or actually the seasonal norm has now changed to a 9. So yeah, well above normal. Everybody in the double digits, as high as 20 in Toronto today. It's November, people. What's going on? We are looking at high pressure building, looking very nice for several days as highs move in from the south. We've got one in the north and a couple moving in from the south. They're all going to cluster together right along the eastern seaboard and really help, especially this one right over Lake Ontario, centered over Lake Ontario, giving us a nice sunny stretch for a while. And look at this warm front for this low in the north. Lots of low pressure in the west. You can see it behind me, but is it going to break through? Not for a while. High pressure is going to maintain the sunshine. Those highs positioned to the south are going to keep pushing that warm air in, and we're going to see beautiful conditions for another week. Your futurecast showing free and clear conditions, maybe a little drizzle or whatever over the lake. You may get some cloudy periods through the overnight Wednesday into Thursday morning, and then again probably looking at a little bit of cloud in the Wednesday to Thursday morning. Like I said, a little bit of cloud coverage tonight through the overnight hours, and then tomorrow night through the overnight hours. But for the most part, we're looking at really clear conditions, but for some very unthreatening, non-threatening cirrus clouds. 13 is where we're sitting right now, and just a few clouds out there. That humidity is still fairly high at about 94%, but that's all going to change. 8 millimeters of rain. Yeah, it moved through very quickly. Accumulation was not heavy, and we've missed a couple more minutes of daylight. Yeah, those days getting a little bit shorter now. For Belleville, you're looking at a high of 6 in Maine, or a high of 16 rather, and well, that's what you're used to saying this time of year, isn't it? 16 degrees will be your high tomorrow, 14 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud, and 18 on Friday with a mix of sun and cloud. It's only going to drop to 11 Celsius Friday night. Very nice conditions. And in Brockville, also double digits, 14 for a high tomorrow, mainly sunny, mix of sun and cloud over Thursday and Friday, as high as 18 degrees on Friday. In Smiths Falls, you're looking at the same, double digits. Look at this, nearly 20 by Friday as the sunshine continues. And in Kingston, very nice weather for you too. 14 degrees for a high tomorrow, mainly sunny, mix of sun and cloud for Thursday with a high 13, rising to 16 on Friday with a mix of sun and cloud. And it just doesn't stop there. Over the weekend, you see that chance of showers returning Sunday, a high 16, up to 16 on Monday with a mix of sun and cloud. Another chance of showers on Tuesday with a high of 13. Now your weather wallpaper. A beautiful morning shot of Howe Island, October 29th. This one comes from Phil Yent of Kingston. I think he has a drone. You can actually see the Howe Island ferry right there in the bottom left, that dock. Great shot. Lovely, lovely photo. Phil, thank you so much for sending it in to us. If you've got photos to share, send them to us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
We're seeing a lot of these kinds of mornings, Bill, with the mist or the fog developing overnight. So you get
more of that again tonight.
Right. Yeah, you get some wonderful pictures just like that one.
Yes.
And of course the next big event for us, I know you had Halloween on Friday again. I think it was wishful thinking on your son's part there. Get that SpongeBob back out again. But the time changes this weekend, right? We fall back an hour.
That's right. That's right. We are going to fall back an hour and well, you know, making up for that hour ahead in the spring.
So the days will get even shorter, even though the temperature is going the other way.
Yes.
And we'll see if it continues like that in your 10-day outlook a little bit later. Thank you, Bill. Mike, Bill joins us now with 10 days in November.
Yes, and looking pretty good. Those temperatures, you can't complain. Double digits, as high as 19 on Saturday. Now, we do see that chance of showers creeping back in, but then we get a break from that after 16 over Sunday and Monday. And look at 13s over Tuesday and Wednesday, 11 on Thursday, Friday, 9. And before you complain about that, that's exactly where the temperature should be.
That's amazing, Bill. Right into close to mid-November to have temperatures like that. And it's still shorts and patio season by the looks of those temperatures.
Yes.
We'll be right back.
On the next
CKWS News at 11.
High pressure is building. We're seeing some clearing in the area. You may get some fog patches tonight, but those patches will burn off early in the morning tomorrow. And then look out for a nice sunny stretch. High pressure coming in from the south too, so it's going to help to bring in some milder air. There is some troughing in the north. The most this will do is bring you a few cloudy periods through the afternoon tomorrow. Other than that, we're looking at strong areas of high pressure, 3 of them in fact, which is going to bring in some warmer air from the south and keep those skies clear for the most part. But for the odd little cirrus cloud or very unthreatening cumulus cloud at times, we're looking at mainly sunny conditions. Tomorrow, mainly sunny, a high 16. Belleville, you'll be up to 14 on Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. And for Friday, again, a mix of sun and cloud. And look at that, nearly 20 degrees, 18 Celsius, and only drops to 11 on Friday night. Very nice conditions. In Brockville, pretty much the same. You're up to a 14 tomorrow, mainly sunny, 16 Thursday for a daytime high, and mix of sun and cloud. Mix of sun and cloud Friday, too, and up to 18 Celsius. And in Smiths Falls, double-digit daytime highs for you as well. Up to 15 tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. More of the same Thursday and Friday as that mercury keeps rising. You'll be up to 19 Celsius Friday afternoon, and it's only going to drop to a 13 that evening. Kingston, your 7-day forecast, 14 for a high tomorrow and a mix of sun and cloud to mainly sunny conditions. And then 13's your high Thursday with a mix of sun and cloud. 16 for a high Friday, again, a mix of sun and cloud. Saturday, you're going to find a little bit of cloud coverage, especially through the afternoon, but nearly 20 degrees. An increase in cloud through the evening will lead to a chance of showers on Sunday with a high 16. Monday, a mix of sun and cloud up to 16 Celsius again. And for Tuesday, rising to 13 degrees. And again, a chance of showers.